You are watching Sensitech Master channel. You are watching one of my DIY videos. This one is my 2003 Mercedes Benz E320 brake disc and brake pad replacement. But before we dive to it, we need the following tools and parts to do the job. Mechanic gloves, brush, 17mm wrench, ratchet, long nose pliers, bungee cord or rope, rubber mallet, 13mm socket, torque wrench, brake pad spreader, T30 torque bit, pry bar, 21mm deep socket, wrench, brake cleaner, WD-40, penetrating oil, and anti-seize grease. You also need the following: brake disc, brake pads, and brake wear sensor. And now, let's begin.